The first thing we want to do is create a new package for the service. So I'll just start here at my root package and I'll just create a brand new package. And the name that I'll give for this package is service. Alrighty, so there's our new package. Now let's go ahead and create a new interface in this package. And the name of the interface is employee service. I'll expand the window here. And basically, I'll just define the methods here for this employee service. And if these methods look familiar, well, these are pretty much the same methods that we wrote at the DAO layer. Make sure you choose the correct import here for javautil.list. Alrighty, so we're in pretty good shape here. So these are the methods here for our employee service interface. Good job. Okay, so let's go ahead and swing over and create a new class for our service impl. So this will be employee service impl. So our employee service is going to make use of the employee DAO. So I'll go ahead and set up a field here and do the normal process of setting up the constructor injection for this example. Alrighty, so that's all set up, our field and our constructor injection. Good job. And these service methods are really simple. All we're doing is simply delegating the calls to the DAO. So we're basically calling the same methods on the given DAO. So I'll kind of sit back here and just type the code through. You can follow along because it's very straightforward. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move into the employee REST controller because we need to kind of refactor the code. Earlier, we had that quick and dirty solution, and let's actually remove that quick and dirty solution. So instead of the controller using the DAO directly, we're going to refactor our code where the controller will actually make use of the service. So I'll just delete these lines here for the DAO. And I'll add in a reference here to use the employee service to kind of follow our application architecture. And I'll update the constructor here to make use of the correct types and params coming in. And one last thing to fix here. So instead of doing the employee DAO, we'll change it to use the employee service. All right, so there we go. So that's the refactored code. So now our REST controller is going to make use of our employee service. And we already know behind the scenes, our service actually delegates the calls to the DAO. Okay, so this is good. So let's go ahead and run our application just so we can view the output here. And we'll swing over to our web browser. Yay, it works out just fine. So we're getting the same data as before. Now we're using the service instead of using the DAO directly. So this is pretty good. I like it.